We're now moving on to the last clarification method to be covered for this topic, the method of filtration. We're removing pollutants from water using a clarification method. Depending on the level of pollution, sedimentation and coagulation and flocculation may not be sufficient to adequately clean the water. That's where filtration comes into play. Let me ask you this. Do you know what a filter is? Well, how about this? Do you recall what this is? These are a series of sieves that you've likely used in one form or another to sort various sizes of gravel. They represent an example of a filter. Okay, how about this? This is a water filter that many of us own. Can you come up with a definition for a filter? Mine is that a filter is a special type of barrier with holes in it so that this barrier retains particles larger than the holes and allows the passage of particles smaller than the holes. So, what is the process of filtration? It is the process of passing polluted water through a filter, also known as a bed. As water passes through the bed, the suspended impurities are retained by the filter so that cleaner water emerges. Sand is a common material used for slow filters, and these slow filters are so called because the movement of water through them is due to gravity alone and tends to be fairly slow. However, as previously mentioned, sand filters are slow and therefore are built over large areas. That's where rapid filters come into play. Water travels more quickly because of the larger grains of sand that are used in rapid filters. These filters are cleaned by reversing the flow of water, as shown here. When it comes to the design of a filtration system at a water treatment plant, the filtration rate is key. By filtration rate, I mean the speed at which polluted water is filtered. In more details, the filtration rate is represented by the ratio of the flow rate of the water and the surface area of the filter. Typical units for the filtration rate are as follows. Let's now go on through two more examples that will cover the design of filtration systems and hopefully reinforce some real-life sample examples on this topic.